And today we are talking about repair. Not perfection, not pretending the past didn't happen. No. But 3 small, grounded ways to begin rebuilding a bridge that's been broken. Okay? So if you've been walking with us through this series, you know we've already explored why children go silent and what parents wish you knew about their pain. So fellows, whether you're a parent or the adult child, this episode offers a path forward for one letter, one boundary, and one conversation at a time.